friendly and awfully couthy, but the bed is really wee. There's hardly ony room for Daddy, Mo and me. I worm my way atween them with elbows, knees and bare, but I get nae hugs and kisses 'cause they both fell on the flare.
I need a wee, I really need to go. I look, but I can't find my pole. I can't reach the codry, it's too far to go. Then I see the dog's dish, so I use it as a pole.
On tippy-toed, I reach up to get my milk, it's in its cup. He gives a sugar as a hooker, then o'er it tumbles, so now I'm drook it.
Cause it's cold, I'm happy up, and cosy clothes fluffed like a pup. My arms are stiff and sticky out, and now I'm stuck from head to foot. Here's my heat, and here's my taste, and in between, here's my clays. But as I grow, between heat and clays, I'll pop my buttons and off my clays.
I'm sitting on Daddy's knee and he's reading a book to me. All the words I can, but at the end I say again, again, again.
My wee sister, guns say sair. My mammy says I've got to share. So one dod the jam to her, and twa to me. That seems fair with her being wee.
My toes are nippet, in my shin, my mammy says they're for the bin. My feet keep growing, they're 8 knots, I'll soon be doon to just my socks. When I grow big, right up to there, I'll be much further fae the flare. When I grow big, I'll reach the sky, 'cause I'll grow wings and learn to fly.
Chocolate, I love it, so I do. I lick it all air and off my fingers too. Then I shook till it falls apart. Daddy calls me a rick wee Clark.
I got a box so big and wide, I can clamber in and hide. It's my wee hussy would abide and know for my prezi that was inside.
After curry down with my wee Ted, but he leaps and leaps all over my bed. I get it out, that's no fair. It wasn't me, it was my bear.